Hello sir, my name is K. Lakshmi Reddy, mechanical engineer. My roll number is 234G1A0310. Subject code deviational equation or verification of science. Subject code 23MAT02. Verify Green's theorem in the plane x square minus xy cube dx plus into y minus 2xy into dy, where c is the square with the verifies 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2 into 2 into 0, 2. Here m is equals to x square minus xy cube, dou m by dou m is equals to 3xy square, n is equals to y square minus 2xy, dou n by dou x is equals to minus 2y, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equals to minus 2y plus 3xy square. By Green's theorem, modulus m dx plus n dy is equals to modulus of x dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dou x by dou y. LHS. Here is the curve C is a square bounded by OA, OB, OC, OD. Modulus MDX plus NDY, modulus A plus modulus AB plus modulus OC plus modulus CD. Equation 1. Along OA, 0 into 0, 0, A 2, 0, x 0 plus 0 2, y is equal to d 0, dy is equals to 0. Modulus OA mdx plus ady is equals to modulus 2x is equals to 0, x square dou x is equals to x cube by cube square is equals to 8 by 3. Along AB, x is equals to 2, dou x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 plus 0 2. Modulus x plus ndy is equals to modulus y is equals to 0, y square minus 4y. dy is equals to y square by cube minus 4y square by 2. Along AB, x is equals to 0, dx is equals to O, y is equals to O to 2 mdx modulus plus n dy is equals to modulus y is equals to y square minus 4y, dy is equals to y cube minus 3 minus 4y square by 2 square. Beta by is equals to 8 by 3 minus 8 is equals to 16 cube. Modulus mdx plus ndy is equals to modulus 2x is equals to 0 into x square minus 8x dx is equals to, along CD x is equals to 0, dx is equals to 0, y is 2 is equals to 0, modulus mdx plus ndy is equals to y square dy is equals to RHS modulus x dou n by dou x minus dou y by dou y, dou x dou y is equals to modulus 2x is equals to 0, mod x 2 y is equals to 0 minus 2y plus 3xy square dx dy is equals to 8. LHS is equals to RHS. Second question, calculate the finds where f is equals to 2i bar plus xj bar is minus 3y square zk bar and is the surface x square plus y square plus y square x square plus y square included in the first octant between z is equals to 0, z is equals to 5. Let f bar is equals to 2i bar plus xj bar minus 3y square 2k. Let 0 naught is equals to x square plus y square is equals to 16 normal to the surface. Lambda 0 naught is equals to sin naught by lambda x plus 2xy plus 2yj unit normal. Triangle by n is equals to triangle 0 naught is equals to 2xi bar plus yj bar by 2 root x square plus y square. X is equals to x I bar plus yj bar by root 16 is equals to xi plus yj bar by 4. Let x be the projection of s on y z plane. Modulus s f bar triangle by m ds is equals to modulus x for f bar triangle by m dou y by dou z and a is equals to 1 by 4 xz plus xy is equals to x by 4 3x and along ox y root x is equals to dy 1 by 2x dx x 1 to 0 3x square minus 3y square dx plus y minus 6x 0 dy modulus 0 3x square minus 3x dx plus 4 root x minus 6x by x 1 by dx by dx for s1. For solve d square minus 5d plus 6y x by 4x. Thank you, sir.